Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will correct those mistakes people usually do at the grocery store. Imagine you walk into a grocery store. You know basic English, but when it's time to speak, everything disappears. Today you'll hear real grocery store conversations between a weak English speaker, a fluent friend and store workers. You'll learn the mistakes people make and how fluent speakers say the same thing naturally. Let's begin.
Hey, where bread?
You mean, where can we find the bread?
Yeah, where can we find the bread?
Aisle 5.
Thank you. I want buy milk.
Say, I want to buy milk.
I want to buy milk.
The milk section is at the back.
How much this?
You mean, how much is this?
Oh right, how much is this?
It's $5.
I want 1 kilo apple.
Almost correct. Say, I'd like 1 kilo of apples. Allie.
I'd like 1 kilo of apples.
Sure.
Cheap chips where?
Try saying, which chips are cheaper?
Which chips are cheaper?
These are on sale today.
Rice finish?
You mean the rice is finished?
Yeah.
Then say, are you out of rice?
Oh, are you out of rice?
No, we still have some.
This fresh?
Say, is this fresh?
Is this fresh?
Yes, it arrived this morning.
Help me find sugar.
That sounds a little direct. Say, could you help me find the sugar?
Could you help me find the sugar?
Of course.
Where is the vegetable section?
Not vegetable, it's pronounced vegetables. Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Perfect. Here's your receipt.
Receipt?
The P is silent. It's pronounced receipt. Receipt.
Receipt.
Would you like a bag?
Yes. Bag give.
Say, yes please, can I get a bag?
Yes please, can I get a bag?